ko alam kung ham ba siya. Sa. Ayan. Hi everyone, my name is Nico. Welcome to The Spec, where we explore the different spectacles out there. So now I'm here in Salcedo, Makati, and I did try this pizza place countless times already. Hindi ko lang siya na-vlog. So this time I want to vlog this. So this is Crosta Pizza. So what is this craze about? Samahan niyo ako dito sa experience na to. Medyo masikip lang, nakakuha na kami ng table, naka-order na rin kami ng special flavors nila, and then one flavor na hindi pa namin natitikman. So I'll show you some footage of how it's like to eat inside. Ano ba tong craze ng Crosta Pizza na to, and what's the experience like? More than just the lasa ng pizza. So tara! So, ang kukunin namin ay yung Morty and Ella 2.0 and itong Truffle Detroit Thin. Yun. So, wait lang ha, saan na ba? Can I have one Morty and Ella 2.0? Yeah. And one Truffle Detroit Thin.
Truffle Detroit Thin?
This one, yeah.
The thin one?
Apa. One regular Coke soda, and then yung Coke ay water dito na lang, no? Okay, yun lang. Nico N-I-C-O. For here. So, titikman na natin yung pizza. Yung naman na titikman is, ito yung best seller. Ay, sabi, special, ano? Chef Special, yung Morty and Ella 2.0. So, it has... Ay, kinakamay ko na siya. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung ham ba siya. Ayan o, if you can see it. Tas ham, tas cream, and then mga pistachio. Ay, truffle to? Pistachio and truffle daw. Sarap. Okay, wala tong sauce or anything. Okay. Yay! So medyo masikip lang dito sa Crosta, but it's the taste that matters. So ganun din pagkain ng pizza. Ham kaya to? Tingnan mo. Hindi pa namin natitikman to. Sarap to. No? I think this is ham. Hindi ko alam kung anong ham na to. So pag pupunta kayo sa Costa, I think you should try yung truffle at saka yung pepperoni nila for first timers. But kung second time nyo na dito, try out their other flavors. So masarap. Compared with the other pizza brands, no, parang masarap pag inuubos mo talagang depogon na crust or pizza na to. Parang nag-iiba yung lasa. Parang iba lasa pag ano siya, pugon. Iba siya with other pizzas eh. Yeah. Ang next ay itong Detroit truffle thin. Tama ba? Lalagyan siya ng honey sa ibabaw. So imagine the taste na savory siya, truffle, medyo earthy, tapos lalagyan mo siya ng honey sa ibabaw para manamis-namis siya ng konti. Yan. So ito yung honey. Kasama siya. Naka-box na kami dito para hindi na hassle. Nakamay ko na talaga siya. Nalagyan mo siya ng honey. Yun. And then, fold mo siya ng ganyan. I think ito favorite ko. Ang favorite mo? Ito gusto ko. Kasi manamis-namis. Sarap. Ito yung kinain natin last time. Hindi. Di ba may pinor tayo na honey? Ah, okay. May truffle din. Hindi ito yun. Okay. Kiss mo. Best way to eat pasta pizza is with your hands. Nakaganon siya. Ito naka-scare. Stop. Yan, mag-soda ka. Sarap. At hindi na ubos yung pila. Hindi ko parang ang pila namin kanina. It's around almost 2 p.m. So that's where we end and I end the Costa Pizzeria or Pizzeria experience. So I think overall it was a good experience in terms of yung lasa. I think quality talaga yung pizza nila. What I noticed also is that yung crust nila iba from the other brands. Sabi ko nga kasi siguro depogon, iba yung oven talaga nila. So talaga maubos mo even yung crust niya. Apart from that, yung lasa really is quality at the end of the day. So, in terms of pizza taste, sarap talaga. So, challenge lang dito sa loob kung mag-dine-in ka. Maliitan talaga yung space and medyo cramped up siya. But I think it adds to the experience because the idea of eating pizza is parang fast food lang talaga siya, like on the go. Yung mga ibang tao nga dito like this, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, kumakain lang sila dyan sa labas. Ayan, ganun lang oh. Yun. So I think that it's not really a bad thing. It's not really, it doesn't compromise the experience. It even adds to the experience naman. And malamig din sa loob. Plus the music as well. Overall experience, I think babalik-balikan mo talaga yung Rosa. Maganda na pupuntahan din siya. Yung iba talaga nagpapagrab na lang. Pero iba pa rin yung experience na nandito ka. It feels express. Parang it feels so sort of fast food. Pero yung lasa overall, really, it adds to the overall experience. But thanks so much for watching, and I hope you join me in my next food adventure here in the Spec. Thanks everyone. Bye.